General Manager Ron Parrish here, out on the putting green at Lone Tree Golf Course. And our Champion Bermuda preparation continues. Last week we sprayed the greens with Roundup to kill out the poana grass. We've verticut and scalped the greens since then. And here you see we're putting in a deep tine aerification. It's a pretty cool process. We're getting excited. We've got a truck coming from Texas. Talked to the driver this morning. He's hitting the road tomorrow. He's going to be driving in over the weekend, arriving on Sunday morning, early Sunday morning. And the crew is going to be dropping Bermuda Sprigs, Champion Bermuda Sprigs, at 6 a.m. Monday morning. The sprig's kind of like a long stem of grass, probably about 4 to 6 inches long. It's kind of wiry, and it's like a tuft of grass. We'll be getting big 40-pound bushel bags of sprigs in. This putting green here, rough estimate, will have close to 30 bags of sprigs that we'll hand drop over this green. We'll hand drop those sprigs. What happens is, this is just our first aerification with the deep tine. We're gonna come in with another aerifier and go the other direction with a 4-inch tine, and it'll be a little bit of a smaller hole, but additional holes. And the sprigs get dropped down, and we start watering them. We put sand on top of them, and then they root in through these holes and take root. So we will, again, we sprigged hole number 3, hole number 10 right green, hole number 12, and hole number 15 last August. And I don't know if you've been out in the last week or two. Would encourage you to come out and look at those greens, because with this little bit of warm weather that's been happening, those greens have been kicking in and looking beautiful, and they're just excited about the summer heat that's coming, which is something different for us. And so check out those existing Champion Bermuda greens to see what's happening there, and then give you a little update today, so you know what's going on next week with the status. We'll put down water, have a water program starting Monday, and every hour there'll be a cycle for about 3 to 4 minutes on the greens, and it'll go about 3 times per hour, and we'll keep them constantly wet for the first 5 days. And then the plan is to keep irrigating them, and middle of July, that Bermuda Sprigs we'll start mowing it towards the end of June, and then we'll be playing on them in the middle of July. More updates to come, but exciting stuff here at your Lone Tree Golf Course in Antioch.